Happy 4th of July, everyone! So we're filming our Chirps on the 4th today, and we wanted to start by updating what's going around on our farm. You can see behind me, I have the chicken coop I've been working on. I'll probably end up finishing this chicken coop this week if the weather cooperates.
And we're going to show you emu area, turkey area, and our barn area. But lastly, we'll look at the garden. Let's go.
This is Smog. This is my rooster, and he's my favorite chicken. Mainly because he chases Bunkie. But he's normally in with our hens, but we're thinking he might be eating eggs, and so he's in the bird area right now, where we're and he's also helping protect the ducks, because roosters can be very aggressive towards strangers. We have 2 other hens in here with Smog to keep him company, and because these are the mixes that we got to get our really pretty mixed birds, and so we're hoping if they start laying eggs we'll be able to hatch them, so that's why they're in there. We are in the emu area right now, and that's where Smog and the girls like to hang around because there's a lot of shade in here for the emus. The emus are outside of their area, so they like to run around. In our turkey area,
Oh my gosh, his tail.
Tail. He stuck his tail through the wood. I wonder if he's stuck. No. So those are our midget whites and tail. They're near Gansett. And we have a rooster and a hen of our mixed variety chickens in here. And those 2 are from last year, mix of Smog and one of the hens. And we're hoping to get the next generation. We don't know what it's going to look like, but we're hoping that when she starts laying eggs, we'll be able to hatch those 2. Because I want to know what the next generation is.
I don't know. Aww. Where's the duck?
Ow! You grabbed my finger! Ow! Ow!
No.
So this one here is Bombi. She's my milking goat, and much food. That one is Taurin. She's Bombi's sister, and she's Mary's mom, and we're trying to get Mary to bond with her mom again, so we can eventually introduce her back into the herd. Mary's full-time outside now that it's warm, and we're trying to get her introduced to some ladies in the herd so that she can eventually be with the herd and she won't get bullied anymore. So that's why we have her with these 2.
It's so sweet.
This one's really precious.
She has a beach Wait. Hey. You.
Oh, you're very adorable.
He's turning red.
How's your leg feel? It's fine for now.
Let's go by the duck.
Get your head out of my bowl. eggs too. She is currently the only one on eggs, and I think last I counted she's got about 10. And so far none of hers have hatched, but she's got a good amount. There's more under her. I keep this here to keep her shaded. Pretty much all of our animals love the shaded areas. No, just duck food, silly. Pretty much all of our animals love the shade, so we've got a couple tarps, a bunch of houses. This is duck food. We put this up for the emus, but pretty much everyone except the emus will use it. The emus like to be in the sun, and Bunkie is intentionally avoiding the shade. We've got 5 muscovy ducks, 30 magpies, no, 20 magpies.
20 magpies.
9 babies on the back.
Some wet muscovy.
Hey.
No, Bunkie, not a duck.
Slowly, Frankie. Go slowly. Scare them. Get your goats out of here!
Anyway, if you leave a comment on this video down below, you will be entered into a giveaway, 1 for a shirt and 2 for stickers. And if you are present in the comments of the premiere for this video, you will be entered into our other giveaway for a hat. So good luck.
That was our updates on our farm.
And now we're going to shout out the people who we collaborated with in the past month, and then we'll do a mail call.
Recently, as in like just now, I put up a video about my strawberry towers, and that was a collaboration with Miss Danny from Happy Farms.
We also did a collaboration video with Uncle Al for his bug out bags.
And Miss Sandy over at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. That was in my carrot video. Check out those videos and channels. They're awesome.
We also have collaboration shout-out videos planned with Simply Jan Homestead, Adventures on the Homestead, Cajun Hydroponics, and 10 Kids in a Garage. So watch for those. And send us an email if you have a fun collaboration idea.
Now for the mail call.
Ooh.
This is from Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. Miss Sandy.
Oh, Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming note. And a piece of wood. Oh, wow. She's crafty. That's
That is
awesome
beautiful.
and beautiful. I think that's a jellyfish. There's
We're
jellyfish.
supposed to hang this.
Oh, there's a jellyfish.
We have a business card.
Look how
cool
cool.
that is.
A business card.
It's beautiful.
KK Train Bunkie, thank you so much for sending me the package to Bubba and the lovely wine vinegar.
Enclosed.
Enclosed, I can't read this.
Enclosed is a quilted wall hanging I made. I hope you like it. Sandy. Please tell your parents thank you. Thank you, Miss Sandy.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss
Miss
Sandy.
Sandy. We
I
love this.
love it.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
And we also received this package marked Bunkie Box.
Who's it for, Bunkie?
Duh.
This is need a better scissor.
There's you, Bunkie, you out in the box.
It's the Bunkie box.
Bunkie box. He's good at drawing smiley faces.
Paper.
Really?
Read the note.
Okay.
which matters. Hi, Bunkie. Hi. Okay, I can't read cursive. I can't read cursive.
Hi Bunkie, hi KK, hi Trie. Check everything full of surprises. P.S. That surprise was made by Billy in the Wild.
From Uncle Al, aka DieBullFrog79, aka...
Oh, this is everything that's in the box.
No, these are his nicknames, I think.
It means also known as. That's what aka means.
The former known superhero as Danger Mouse.
That
old kook.
No.
the gray ghost. I don't.
That's a whoopee cushion and that is going to be used. So is that.
That is going to be a survival skill notebook. Yes. You have socks. Ooh.
Oh my
Oh.
It's cute. Okay, what else is there?
Cute. Oh, it's a cup of noodle.
It's your old pal and girl.
It's adorable. It's so cute. Get it off.
It lasts. It lasts 7 years. I think this is the survival. Bunkie's 700 kit.
No, that's
with
007, not 700.
007 kit with lollipops. Are you going to
Oh,
open the
this-
boxes?
Oh, it's the.
Multi-purpose crank radio. You're supposed to put this in your bug out bag, I think. And then this is your radio.
Ooh,
That's helpful.
that's very.
Look, you don't need a battery. You just, I think you crank it.
Oh,
I think these are plastic bags.
yeah. Maybe like a
Poncho?
poncho.
I don't know.
Ooh, what are these called?
Ooh, safety pins.
Giant safety pins.
Giant safety pins.
That
A
is pretty cool. We've got tiny ones. These are huge.
It's a whistle. A necklace
Oh no, not
whistle.
another whistle for you.
A compass.
Oh,
that
that's
is
a
a
pretty
cool
compass.
compass.
Wow. It's full of water. I think that's water. I love this. I need them.
You need them.
Matches. No, those are matches.
Oh. So I think it. Do you put it in the leather then? Like as a cover?
No,
Through
the
front.
other
Try-
side. It's
do the
from
front.
like this.
Okay.
What is? Oh, it's a
And a
can opener.
spoon. It's a
It's a
spoon.
can
I saw the spoon first.
It's a spoon and a can opener. And oh, this is a light. You take this and it goes on.
Button lamp.
Button lamp. There's more necessities in here.
It's a cute cup.
It's a cute cup, but I think he said not to get drink out of it.
Collector's item.
Ah.
Ponderosa Ranch, Nevada.
Oh wow.
Goody Ranch.
That's a good idea.
You definitely need lollipops for survival. You
Essential
definitely
need of
do.
surviving.
They're like, we need it for surviving.
I can't get it all in.
We're going to use them for tonight. Just kidding. Blackouts. What are those?
A Lumistick. I like that name. A Lumistick.
I think this is like a bottle. Oh, you put something in here.
Very trendy.
Rice cake.
Wow.
Uncle Al, this is so generous of you. Thank you so much. So, as you can see here, we have our Tapestry from Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona, and it's really beautiful, so thank you. And we also have a puppet from Die Bullfrog 79, Uncle Al, and thank you for that too. And our stickers here from Gale Southern Living and Will It Grow. And keep the stickers coming. We love them. Uncle Al and Miss Sandy, this is really generous of you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And now for a list of people who supported us in the month of June.
Bushcraft Family,
Green Acre Birds,
Cosmic Culture Readers,
Happy Farms,
Die Bullfrog 79,
Will It Grow,
Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona,
Homestead Aquarius,
Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It,
and Abby's Life on the Farm. 2 people this month made the chicken tractor that Trie made.
Morgan's Wood Chip Garden, and 10 Kids in a Garage. And I just wanted to say thank you for shouting us out and adding us to your video. Really happy about that.
So that's it for this Chirps. We'll see you again in next month's Chirps, and we'll also announce the giveaway winners. But until then, thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Good luck. God bless. Thank you.